The benefits of flaxseed gel for hair. Flaxseed gel, derived from the nutrient-rich seeds of the flax plant, Linum musidatissimum, has become a popular natural hair care solution. Its simplicity, affordability, and nourishing properties make it a versatile option for improving hair health and appearance. This article explores the numerous benefits of flaxseed gel for hair, backed by its unique composition and wide-ranging effects on hair and scalp health. 1. Nourishment and hydration. Flaxseed gel is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and mucilage, a natural gel-like substance that provides hydration to the hair. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles, promoting elasticity and strength. The gel's ability to lock in moisture makes it particularly effective for dry or damaged hair, restoring softness and reducing brittleness. Moreover, flaxseed gel is a humectant, meaning it attracts moisture from the environment to the hair. This property makes it an excellent solution for combating dryness and frizz, especially in harsh weather conditions. 2. Encourages hair growth. Rich in nutrients that stimulate the scalp, flaxseed gel promotes healthy hair growth. The omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E in the gel improve blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive adequate nutrients and oxygen. Vitamin E also acts as an antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress on the scalp and protecting hair follicles from damage. This leads to stronger, thicker, and healthier hair over time. For individuals experiencing thinning or slow-growing hair, incorporating flaxseed gel into their hair care routine can yield noticeable improvements. 3. Reduces hair breakage. Flaxseed gel strengthens the hair shaft by forming a protective layer around each strand. This reduces hair breakage caused by environmental factors, heat styling, or frequent manipulation. Its high protein content also helps repair damaged cuticles, improving the overall structural integrity of the hair. The gel's lubricating properties make detangling easier, minimizing the risk of breakage during combing or styling. For individuals with curly or coily hair, flaxseed gel is particularly beneficial as it reduces tangles and enhances manageability. 4. Defines and enhances curls. One of flaxseed gel's most celebrated benefits is its ability to define and enhance curls without leaving a crunchy or greasy residue. The mucilage in flaxseed gel provides a lightweight hold, making it a favorite styling product for individuals with curly or wavy hair. It helps curls clump together, reducing frizz and maintaining definition throughout the day. Additionally, flaxseed gel's natural ingredients ensure that it doesn't weigh down curls, preserving their bounce and vitality. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 5. Soothes scalp irritations. Flaxseed gel has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe an irritated or sensitive scalp. Conditions such as dandruff, eczema, and psoriasis can cause redness, itching, and flaking, which may impair hair growth. The gel's cooling effect calms inflammation and restores balance to the scalp. Its natural ingredients also reduce the risk of further irritation compared to commercial products containing harsh chemicals. Regular application of flaxseed gel can result in a healthier scalp environment, conducive to strong and vibrant hair. 6. Balances scalp oil production. For those struggling with oily or greasy hair, flaxseed gel can help regulate sebum production on the scalp. While moisturizing the hair and scalp, it does not leave behind an oily residue. This balance ensures that the hair remains hydrated without appearing greasy, making flaxseed gel suitable for all hair types. Additionally, the gel's ability to cleanse the scalp of excess oils and impurities contributes to a cleaner, fresher feeling, enhancing overall hair health. 7. Adds shine to hair. Flaxseed gel enhances hair's natural shine, giving it a healthy, polished appearance. The gel smoothens the hair cuticle, allowing light to reflect off the strands more effectively. This natural luster is achieved without the use of silicones or artificial additives commonly found in commercial hair products. In summary, flaxseed gel is a natural, nutrient-rich solution with numerous benefits for hair health. It nourishes, hydrates, and strengthens the hair, promotes growth, reduces breakage, and enhances curl definition. Additionally, it soothes the scalp, balances oil production, protects against environmental damage, and imparts shine and smoothness. This versatile gel is easy to prepare at home, making it an accessible and cost-effective alternative to commercial hair care products. Whether you're looking to manage dryness, frizz, or scalp issues, or simply enhance your hair's natural beauty, flaxseed gel is a valuable addition to your routine. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, bye.